Modern drone warfare depends heavily on loitering munitions. During Operation Sindoor, these systems were deployed at scale to overwhelm local defense networks. However, the global standard for these weapons, platforms like the Shahed 136, SkyStriker and Nagastra-1, is built on a mechanical limitation. They rely on conventional piston engines and propellers. This architecture prioritizes low-cost endurance, but it leaves the aircraft moving at relatively slow cruising speeds. This gives modern air defense radars a massive window of time to detect, track, and intercept the threat before it reaches its target. Surviving a contested battlefield requires shrinking that reaction window. The tactical requirement has shifted from long-range endurance to pure defensive penetrating speed. The Divyastra Mk3 is the high-speed answer to that bottleneck. Developed by Indian startups Kawa UAV and DG Propulsion, this jet-powered drone moved from program inception to maiden flight in exactly 1 calendar year. While conventional loitering munitions typically cruise at 150 km per hour, the jet-powered Mk3 doubles that performance. It hits tactical speeds of 300 km per hour, carrying a 20-kilogram explosive warhead over a 400 km range. This jet propulsion architecture adopts the flight profile of a high-speed guided missile, leaving hostile air defense radars with only a fraction of the time they would normally have to engage an incoming drone. The mechanical muscle comes from the DG Propulsion J series. This flagship DG J4 is a 40-kilogram force micro-turbojet, engineered for a high thrust-to-weight ratio. Building engines at this scale presents unique metallurgical hurdles. At critical speeds, extreme thermal stress and rotor vibrations can cause standard precision bearings to collapse. To solve these structural stresses, the team utilized advanced 3D printing and rapid prototyping. These domestic manufacturing methods allowed them to optimize the engine's rotor dynamics and significantly reduce its overall weight. But generating raw thrust on a test bench is only half the battle. Mechanically managing a micro-turbojet in the middle of a high-speed flight requires a dedicated layer of digital intelligence. That intelligence comes from the DG AEMS digital controller. It autonomously regulates throttle, fuel, and engine health in real time. By handling these mechanical physics, the AEMS offloads a massive processing burden from the drone's primary flight computer. This freed-up computational power runs high-level mission AI. It enables thermal imaging and adaptive targeting to identify high-value enemy assets in a war zone. It also supports the Ashwamedha swarm system. A single operator simply designates a target zone, while 50 to 100 decentralized drones coordinate their own spacing and multi-angle strikes to saturate enemy air defenses. This intelligence scales across the entire family. The Divyastra Mk1 provides tactical swarm strikes, the Mk2 adds swarm and sovereign AI for deep operations, and the Mk3 pairs those capabilities with high-velocity jet penetration. The AEMS software bridge is the critical link here. It makes coordinating an autonomous, high-speed swarm computationally possible on a single platform. Looking ahead, the architecture is scaling up. DG Propulsion is moving beyond microjets to test 1 kilonewton and 10 kilonewton engines designed to power heavy cruise missiles and larger unmanned combat aircraft. While these turbojets excel at high-speed penetration, the company is also developing turbofan technology. As this data visualization shows, turbofans offer the fuel efficiency needed for long-range logistics and transport missions. Mastering both propulsion types gives domestic manufacturers modular options: turbojets for rapid precision strikes and turbofans for sustained intelligence gathering. There is a deeper strategic goal behind these engineering milestones. The J40 engine currently operates with 35% domestic content, but the roadmap is designed to push that past 90% by 2027. Removing foreign critical subsystems shields India's drone industry from global export restrictions and supply chain bottlenecks. It also addresses a critical cybersecurity risk. When both the software and hardware are 100% domestic, it removes the threat of foreign data leaks or external kill switches. The Divyastra Mk3 is the manifestation of strategic autonomy. It is the political slogan Atma Nirbhar Bharat, transformed into a 300 km/h reality.